action.
Hello, hello. I am on my vibration plate, and I'm going to show you how to do a 10-minute workout on this vibration plate. I'm also going to explain some of the benefits of the vibration plate. So to get started, I just want you to think back with me. If you've been following me on my journey, you know that I had this vibration plate over a year ago. And I remember telling someone when they were talking about the vibration plate and they worked from home, and I mentioned to them, you should put the vibration plate under your desk so that you can reap the benefits of the vibration plate while you're sitting and working. I was thinking about multitasking, which we often do. So with that said, I am live 3 times a week on YouTube. And I was sitting, sometimes I'm sitting 2.5 to 3 hours in one sitting at one time. And I thought, while I'm sitting, I could be using my vibration plate. How about that? I started to take the advice that I had given someone a year ago. And so I pulled out that vibration plate and I put it under my desk in my office where I do my live streams. So today I am in a different setting, but I am committed to getting on this vibration plate and working my lymphatic system, strengthening my muscles, improving my flexibility and balance. And there are so many benefits of using a vibration plate. I'm going to tell you what they are. So sit back, relax, and see what you can incorporate if you were to have a vibration plate. Now, I will say before we get started, I do want to say, please check with your doctor before you do any kind of exercise routine. Make sure that it's safe for you. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to stand here and let the vibration plate do its thing. I just want to do some quick little exercises that you can do. And if you are having issues with balance and mobility, I would absolutely put this vibration plate next to a table or something where you can grab a hold to something to keep your balance. So I am still getting used to the vibration plate, and I'm up here right now using some of my muscles to stay balanced and not to fall off. So I'm going to do some little movements that we can incorporate and let's see how it goes. So let's do our heel raises. I'm going to do one heel on my left side and then one heel on my right side. And then I'm going to alternate back and forth. And I'm just going to do that 5 times. Then I'll try to do both heels at the same time. So here we go. All right, let's try both heels. Ooh, it takes balance. It's not easy. A challenge would be to see if you can stay there for a longer time. And this last one, I'm going to try to hold it for 5 seconds. I did 3. Let me try for 5. You're good. All right, something else you could do. Let's try some mini squats. Now, this might be a struggle. So before we get into the mini squats, let's do an alternative first. Let's just take our hands and feel the vibration and let our hands go down to our legs and come back up. Let's do 5 of those. All right, let's try our mini squats. I'm just going to step out a little bit. I want to make sure I maintain my balance. The arms out helps keep the balance. I can feel it in my thighs. Okay, so that was 5. All right, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to lift our arms. We're just going to let the vibration plate do its thing. And I am starting to feel it. I can feel it all from my toes all the way up to my chest. And I'm going to get those arms involved. So we can just do some arm raises now. I'm going to do these without weights, but of course you can grab the weights the more comfortable you feel. You can grab weights to give yourself a bit of a challenge. So I'm going to do 5 to 8 arm raises. All right, I am going to stop right there. I have about 30 seconds left on this vibration plate. And for the last 35 seconds, I just want to have just kind of a stretch and deep breaths and to cool down. All right, that is it. That was 10 minutes. 10 minutes goes so fast. I will say, once the vibration plate stops, do not get off the vibration plate right away. Let yourself get centered, catch your breath, get your balance, whatever you need to do to center yourself and be ready to step off. If you need to hold on to something to get off the vibration plate, please do that. If you have someone that can help escort you off, you can also do that. Thank you for coming along with me on the vibration plate, and hopefully you can try some different things out. But if you have mobility issues, take it slow. Take it slow. Just stand there and reap the benefits of this great machine. Bye. Downsizing, Diva, and I'm here.